Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afifah Humaira from University Muhammadiyah Aceh. Here I will set to the pro at this mention on the use of foreign language showing a decreased test of nationalism. Foreign language according to the Big Indonesian Dictionary are languages belonging to other nations that are mastered, usually through formal education, and which are not socioculturally considered as their own language. The science of nationalism, according to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, is understanding, teaching to love one's own nations and country. The use of foreign language in daily communication shows a lack of a person's sense of nationalism, meaning that the use of language belonging to other nations that are controlled and not considered as their own language in daily, non-verbal, non-formal communication shows a lack of feeling to love their own nation and country. Shows the lack of a person's sense of nationalism due to using a foreign language in daily life, which should use the language of units. Indonesian in everyday life. Formally, until now, Indonesian has four positions, namely as a unified language, national language, state language, and official language. In its further development, Indonesian language has success in establishing itself as a cultural language and a language of science. Indonesian has been widely known since the Youth Oath on October 28, 1928, which made Indonesian the language of units. At that time, the youth agreed to raise the Malay language real as Indonesian. The youth saw that it was the Indonesian language that could unite the Indonesian nations, which consisted of hundreds of ethnic groups and ethnic groups. The appointment of this status was not just a figment. Indonesian can carry out its function as a unifying nation. In the Youth Oath, there is one part which states that all of us as Indonesians have acknowledged speaking one Indonesian language. But now it seems that this mandate is not respected by the masses as it is in the masses. Now many young people who communicate with masses language such as Japanese, Chinese, English, and others. We agree that the use of foreign language in daily communication shows a person's lack of nationalism. The use of foreign language in daily communication is considered to eliminate national identity, weakens the spirit of nationalism, and is considered a betrayal of the spirit of the youth oath, does not appreciate the service of the horse who used to fight for the Indonesian language, so that it was pledged in the youth oath on October 28, 1928. The three red pledge: we, the sons and daughters of Indonesia, uphold the language of units, the Indonesian language. Indonesian language will gradually be displaced because people prioritize the use of foreign language, one of which is English. Nowadays, people prefer English. Moreover, more students take English courses than Indonesian, proving that the people are not proud to use Indonesian language, thus showing a reduced sense of nationalism. Foreign language can eliminate the identity of Indonesia as the state language and also the unitary language of the Republic of Indonesia as a unifying tool of the nation, which will slowly be forgotten by the Indonesian people. People understand and glorify foreign languages such as English, Spanish, Japanese, Arabic, French, Mandarin. When more people as foreign language on of which is English, then directly or indirectly, the attitude of nationalism toward Indonesia will gradually decline.